Alright guys, so you have seen the Benks GlassWarrior screen protector on my iPhone before. You've seen all kinds of accessories from Benks. Well, today we're looking at the Benks GlassWarrior screen protector for the iPad Pro 13-inch. Now, huge shout out to Benks for sending this over to me to review for you guys. So, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, pardon this if it gets out of frame a little bit. This thing is huge, so bear with me. Now, it does say enhanced drop resistance, wear and scratch resistance, and smooth and sensitive. Now, this does have accessory glass 2 by Corning, so this is going to be a really protective screen protector, and it should be a lot better with those scratches and anything of that sort. And taking a look at the back, here's what we get. So it says premium material, electroplated coating, wear resistant and scratch resistant, great touch sensitivity, perfect fitting edges, and HD clarity and original display. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Now you just kind of pull that out here, and Benks does give you a little bit of an installation kit here. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Now we'll put that off to the side, and here we go. So it does say here again, accessory glass 2 by Corning, Benks down here, and when you open it up, you get a little bit of an instruction manual right there. And here is our installation frame. So we'll put that here. You have your installation kit, a nice big dust removal sticker, and here we have our screen protector. So let me go ahead and set this big box off to the side, and let's go ahead and install it on our iPad Pro 13-inch. So we'll move this over here, and let's just get everything prepped here. So we'll take out the screen protector. All right, put that there. Let's see. So you do just get one screen protector per pack. And here it does have a little sticker. You're going to peel this off first and apply it down onto the iPad. So we'll put that right here. Now in the installation kit, let's see what we get. So inside, all we get is a microfiber cleaning cloth. You get a little cleaning wipe, and you get some smaller dust removal stickers. So these are basically if you end up getting a little speck of dust underneath the screen protector when you put it on, you can use these and use them to kind of dig under there and take it off. So let's go ahead and move all of this for right now, and let's bring over our iPad. Now I do have the iPad turned off, so let's go ahead and clean it off. So first we'll take this cleaning wipe and just give it a nice wipe down. Now I did just take a nice screen protector right off of this, so things I do for you guys. All right, so now that that is wiped off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our installation kit and put it on. Now, you have to make sure you look for where the little cutouts are here. So right there, you have your power button and your volume up and down. So we're gonna set this here just like this. So it will say iPad Pro 13-inch 2024 right there. You just kind of put that towards the bottom of the iPad. So we'll just align this here. You just kind of snap it into place. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. I'm gonna use the microfiber cleaning cloth just to wipe it down real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, and now we'll grab this nice large dust removal sticker, and let's go ahead and get any dust right off of the screen of the iPad. Now I do see a fingerprint right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that. You just gotta kind of be patient with this process. Now another useful thing for these little tabs are to get the little dust particles from around the edges. So I do see one right over there that we'll go ahead and get off. And all right, so now that we got all the dust off, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take this and kind of quickly try to peel this up, and be careful not to touch it too bad. All right. So now we're just going to go ahead and align it in here and plop it right in here. So you give it a few minutes and all of this stuff should stick. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these kinds of installation kits just because you have to align everything. I much prefer a screen protector where you can just kind of put it on and pull the installation kit, the little film right off, and that way everything does come off nice and easy. So we'll give this a few minutes to adhere, and we'll come right back and take a look. Now, one thing I did not see with this installation kit is a squeegee, which is kind of not good because it's not really a bubble-free installation. You do kind of have to work them out. So I do have a squeegee that I had actually from another screen protector kit, and I'm just kind of sitting here and pushing these little bubbles out. Now, the screen looks a lot dirtier than it actually is. That's just the screen protector. And of course, we're going to wipe that down. So we'll just sit here and kind of push these bubbles out a little bit. All right, so after a little bit of bubble removing with the squeegee and with the microfiber cleaning cloth, it is finally good to go. So this screen protector, the only thing that I don't like about it is that installation kit. Other than that, it's a really, really nice screen protector. Benks makes excellent screen protectors, especially because this is that accessory glass 2 by Corning. This is a definite good screen protector. So let's actually go ahead and see what this looks like, and we can type on it with a note. So let me go ahead and put my passcode in here. All right, so you can sit here, type around just fine. It looks very good. It looks just like it would any other time. And you can go ahead and sit here and draw. It is very responsive. There's no issues whatsoever. And this is going to be very responsive with your Apple Pencil as well, as long as you're using the Apple Pencil Pro, of course, because, you know, Apple didn't let us use the old Apple Pencil. So anything you do, sit here, you know, use your terrible handwriting, just like mine. And you can sit here and, you know, type or write, I should say. Everything is just fine. There's absolutely no issues. And when you take a look at it, besides all these scribbles, and it looks like a doctor's handwriting, but, you know, it looks very good. Super, super bright and clear. I'm sitting here looking at it. Absolutely no issues with the colors of the display. Everything looks the way it should. All of these colors right here for the pen and pencil, the different shades that you can use, the highlighter, everything looks just fine. So let's talk a little bit more about this one. Now, the price on this screen protector is $25.99, which, by the way, I do have a discount code with Benks, and links will be down in the description below for you guys to check out, but I'll leave that discount code right here. The code is Brian15. Make sure you guys use that to save 15% off of your purchase at Benks, and that works, by the way, on the entire site, not only for the screen protector, but $25.99 on this one. You get a 1-pack of the screen protector. It is a 0.25 millimeter thick screen protector, and it does come for the iPad Pro 11-inch and the 13-inch. Now, Benks does have a variety of other screen protectors, including this one, for all of your other iPads and your iPhone and all these other devices, so that is always very nice. So, good price point on this one, good screen protector. The only thing I do not like is that installation kit. So Benks, if you guys are listening, can you make one that just kind of sits on top? You take the little plastic, you pull it right off, it adheres, you get the bubbles out real quick if there are any. It'll make things so much easier, and especially for people who aren't really the best at putting on a screen protector, and given the size of this screen, that could be really, really useful. So with all that being said, guys, this is the Benks GlassWarrior screen protector for the iPad Pro 13-inch. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Have you ever tried a Benks Glass screen protector, or do you have any other screen protectors that you really like for your iPad? Let me know. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing another great option for a tempered glass screen protector for the iPad Pro, I'll leave that right there.